Sol- Solve the system of linear equations by substitution. Y equals negative x plus 3. 3y plus 5x equals negative 1. Let y equals negative x plus 3 be equation 1 and 3y plus 5x equals negative 1 be equation 2. Notice that equation 1 is already solved for y. Substitute negative x plus 3 for y in equation 2 and solve for x. First write the equation. 3y plus 5x equals negative 1. Substituting negative x plus 3 for y gives 3 times the quantity negative x plus 3 plus 5x equals negative 1. Next, use the distributive property to get negative 3x plus 9 plus 5x equals negative 1. Then combine like terms to get 2x plus 9 equals negative 1. Next, subtract 9 from each side of the equation to get 2x equals negative 10. Then divide each side of the equation by 2 to get x equals negative 5. Next, substitute negative 5 for x in equation 1 and solve for y. First write the equation. Y equals negative x plus 3. Substituting negative 5 for x gives y equals the negative of negative 5 plus 3, which simplifies to y equals 5 plus 3, or y equals 8. So the solution is negative 5, 8. Solve the system of linear equations by substitution. X minus y equals negative 4. 2x plus y equals 4. Let x minus y equals negative 4 be equation 1, and 2x plus y equals 4 be equation 2. First solve for y in equation 2. Begin by writing the equation. 2x plus y equals 4. Then subtract 2x from each side of the equation to get y equals negative 2x plus 4. So revised equation 2 is y equals negative 2x plus 4. Next, substitute negative 2x plus 4 for y in equation 1 and solve for x. First write the equation. X minus y equals negative 4. Substituting negative 2x plus 4 for y gives x minus the quantity negative 2x plus 4 equals negative 4, which can be rewritten as x plus 2x minus 4 equals negative 4. Because x plus 2x equals 3x, 3x minus 4 equals negative 4. Next, add 4 to each side of the equation to get 3x equals 0. Then divide each side of the equation by 3 to get x equals 0. Next, substitute 0 for x in equation 2 and solve for y. Begin by writing the equation. 2x plus y equals 4. Substituting 0 for x in equation 2 gives 2 times 0 plus y equals 4, or y equals 4. So the solution is 0, 4. A theater earns $3,640 from a concert. An orchestra ticket costs 3 times as much as a balcony ticket. Write a system of linear equations that represents this situation. What is the price of each type of ticket? Because the theater earns $3,640 from selling 148 orchestra tickets and 76 balcony tickets, 148 times the orchestra ticket price plus 76 times the balcony ticket price equals $3,640. Because an orchestra ticket costs 3 times as much as a balcony ticket, the orchestra ticket price equals 3 times the balcony ticket price. Let X be the price in dollars of an orchestra ticket and let Y be the price in dollars of a balcony ticket. Because 148 times the orchestra ticket price plus 76 times the balcony ticket price equals 3,640, equation 1 is 148x plus 76y equals 3,640. Because the orchestra ticket price equals 3 times the balcony ticket price, equation 2 is x equals 3y. Notice that equation 2 is already solved for x. Substitute 3y for x in equation 1 and solve for y. First write the equation. 148x plus 76y equals 3,640. Substituting 3y for x gives 148 times 3y plus 76y equals 3,640, which simplifies to 520y equals 3,640, or y equals 7. Next, substitute 7 for y in equation 2 and solve for x. First write the equation. X equals 3y. Substituting 7 for y gives x equals 3 times 7, or x equals 21. So the solution is 21/7. So an orchestra ticket costs $21 and a balcony ticket costs $7.